Welcome to FP Markets. To deposit through Swiffy Instant EFT, please log into your client portal. On the left-hand side of your portal, select the Funding tab and choose Deposit. Select the account you want to fund. Now select Alternative Payment Methods and choose Swiffy Instant EFT. You will then be directed to choose your payment amount. Choose from the pre-designated funding options or enter a custom amount and click Deposit. A new pop-up window will guide you in selecting your financial institution. Deposit options are available for all standard bank, FNB, ABSA Bank, Time Bank, Ned Bank, Investec Bank, Bidvest Bank, and Old Mutual Bank clients. From here, you must complete the necessary information. Ensure all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the funding process with Swiffy Instant EFT at FP Markets.